the handheld gong, a very useful sound therapy tool. In the session, when I have a gong session, usually the last 10 to 15 minutes are characterized by the use of a handheld gong. This is not happening every time, but if I have a private session, it will happen quite often. My recommendation would be that you start with a gong that has a diameter of 20 to 22 inches, possibly a fang gong, so a wind gong, the one that I just showed, and then later you expand on something more expensive in case you feel the need.